About it from the aspect of something like Saturn. It's a very complex set of frequencies that go with it. You know, Saturn has to do with time, has to do with the nature of life and death itself, has to do with the attachments to the physical realm, right? Those types of things. Even in its symbol, you see, what's its symbol? Saturn's symbol is this. All right. Now, what is that? Have you had enough symbology to understand what that means?
No, but I can have a guess.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
You got a hook, so it's catching.
Yeah, it's the sickle, the scythe.
Hmm.
All right, below planetary level. That is the Reaper card in the tarot. All right, it's the reaping below planetary level. Take something like Jupiter, for example, and you get the same thing, but above planetary level. You still have a reaping aspect to Jupiter, the side, yeah, but one is above, the other's below. Oh,
Never spotted that.
no,
Never spotted that before.
right. How about this? First of all, do you know what planet that is?
Venus?
Venus, yeah. Right, that's Venus.
That's why I looked at you. You should know that.
Okay, now that you know that this means planetary level, right? This physical cross, the way they draw Earth is this. The way they draw the sun is this, but it used to be like this. If you go back far enough, the ancient texts, when they were demonstrating the sun, looked like that, okay? Like a jester's hat, but tilted sideways, right? A head with a hat on it, like a jester's hat. That's how they used to draw the sun. Now, they do a circle with a dot in it. And the only difference is that you're looking at it this way versus looking at it this way. It's either coming towards you, yeah, in time, or you're outside observing it through time. Yeah. Same thing, okay? But this is Venus. What does it mean? What is sitting above planetary level?
Yeah.
So this symbol, the plus, the cross, physical cross, means planetary level. Us here, ours, okay? What's this above it? Can you see that this is this that's become separated?
Oh.
The planet has become separated from something. Right? The planet has become separated from the Father, the Son. Now, Venus has to do with love. You see? Venus having to do with love. It's that separation that draws the two back together, right? To become the planetary aspect. That's all it's showing. It's just showing that two things have been removed from one another and need to recombine. Mars. That's its current symbol, but Mars used to be drawn like this. The exact opposite of Venus. What does that mean? This has to do with two different levels of the same thing. You see it. It literally, it's the Venus symbol flipped upside down is the old one. Old symbol for Mars. Now.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Now, It's a shield and a sword. Okay, this is the modern one is a shield with a sword. Okay, the god Mars was the the warrior aspect to it. Obviously, when that came over, it changed the idea of what masculinity is. Masculinity has that almost inversion, right, of Venus, but masculinity has the idea of being a solar entity subject to the planet. You see with the cross above and the circle below.
Hmm.
Right? It should
Which
still
would
be.
make more sense
Yeah, right. That's the
because
difference,
the
like I
male and
said.
female, these symbology should be the same but reversed.
Yeah, right. You would call this love, and you would call this honor or courage or protection, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the frequency that goes with it. But when it degenerated into a shield with a sword, then it's just war.
Hmm.
What caused the change?
Rome
Again,
connected to the essence of it, but Rome connected to the essence of it and used it as the force behind their military operations.
Hmm.
That's when you first see it showing up in, as the shield and sword. It was in the Roman Empire.
yeah.
How they used the frequency of it, yeah, instead of using it the way that it was intended to be. You understand the
Yeah.
difference, right? The masculine
Okay.
qualities versus
Yeah.
the feminine qualities. They're exact
Yeah.
opposites to one another. Yeah, at least at planetary level they are.
Hmm.
Same thing elsewhere.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to take it a bit further back and thinking, okay, so that's where it manifested, but what caused that change to happen?
Wrong manufacture. Too
Yeah.
much Saturn gets in, and it alters everything. Right now, you're going back to these kind of negative aspects, aren't you?